Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday, September 19th, 2025. Been a while since I last posted a video on YouTube, so I wanted to update you guys, let you guys know how my trading's going, how all the accounts are doing. Of course, guys, we try our best not to revenge trade, not to go on tilt. So yes, I do have the accounts left, the funded accounts. We are still trading them, still slowly growing them, and they're doing good for the most part. So today I just want to update you guys, show you guys in on a couple of the trades I take, and I'll update you guys with the accounts, how the balances and all that are doing towards the end of the video. So let's see what trades we take. All right, guys. I was not able to record this trade. I just want to let you guys in on this trade again. It's the very same procedure every single time, right? Change the state delivery. We need a gap. Once price comes back into this gap, no ifs, ands, or buts. I need to make myself available to make sure I jump in on the trade. Once price comes into this gap, boom, right there. I jumped in. Stop losses at the pivot low right here. Boom. Take profit. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward, right? So now we're just waiting for price to either take us out for full profit or take us out for stop loss. Nothing in between. For the most part, I do close down the charts. As I keep mentioning, my trading is very boring, which is kind of why I stopped posting videos. I do the same exact thing every single day. I've been doing this for the last couple of days that you guys haven't seen me post. I do the same exact thing. For the most part, I just close down the charts. I get back to work. I keep working on the side. I check it on the trade every 10 to 15 minutes. Yes, it does take a lot of self-discipline to just not look at the charts, but it does help a lot with all those little emotions that tell you to get out of the trade when you see a little bit of green, or jump out of the trade when you see a little bit of red. It helps out a ton, and you need to have that discipline and be strong enough to not press the button when you don't have to, if your rules don't call for that, and you just gotta sit and wait, right? Again, plus 2R all or nothing. I am in the trade, super boring. We're just gonna wait and see. I'll update you guys here in a bit and let you guys know how it plays out. All right, guys, so as you guys see here, boom, price came down, back up to break even, ultimately came out, took us out for a full -1R. Again, that's part of trading, guys. Accept the losers, accept the randomness, move on to the next trade, right? So what we're going to do now, again, we're not going to revenge trade, not going to go on tilt. We're going to wait for the next valid setup. I'll update you guys on what that is, and I'll update you guys once I'm in it. All right, so I'll be back. All right, guys, so we are back. We just got a fill on this order here. Price was all the way down here. I wasn't even recording or anything. And on the next candle, let's see, on the 32nd, you might be able to see it. Yeah, this large candle just shot up from all the way down here. 50, 25 points, got me in, currently working in our favor. But again, guys, we do not control the outcome. It's all randomness. All I'm doing is making sure I'm making myself available when the setups present themselves, making sure I take it, accepting risk, managing risk, and letting the trade play out. So now, again, plus 2R all or nothing. We're going to see how it all plays out, and I'll update you guys here in a bit. All right, guys, and here we are back on the chart. As you guys see here, boom, price came down, top plus 1R, boom, came back to break even. Barely came back to break even right here. You guys see that wick, and then ultimately came down, took me out for full plus 2R target. Again, full TP hit. Again, guys, I do not control the outcome of the trade. All I can control is the process, managing my risk, making sure I stick to my plan, making sure my stop loss is set, making sure my risk, my $100 per trade is already set, accepting the risk, randomness, and letting the trade play out. Right? If I think I controlled any of this right here, I'm completely mistaken. I did not control anything. It was all random. Thankfully, it just happened to play out in our favor. Just like the last one ended up working against us, this one ended up working for us. Again, we continue to take the same trade every single time. Account continues to grow slow and steady, right? So I'll be back 8:20. Or again, I go into lunchtime around 8:30. Might not be taking a trade in between that. We'll see how anything plays out. If there is any trades, I'll update you guys. If not, we'll see you in a bit. Order filled. All right, guys, order was just filled there for a long, making sure stop loss is set, take profit is set. Again, guys, we have all that set before we even get into the entry, managing our risk, manage our emotions, managing our expectations, understand that the market is random. This outcome, I do not control it. Either we get full TP, full stop loss, and there's no in between. I'll update you guys here in a little bit. There was no trades. Again, we do not take trades during the lunch window, so there was no trades during lunchtime. Currently, it's 10:36. This is the first valid setup that was triggered. So as you guys see here, boom, gap right here, change state delivery, gap, price tapped into it, we're in, stop loss, swing pivot, take profit 2R. I'll be back and I'll update you guys here in a bit. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts. As you guys see here, we entered here, price went up in our favor, pulled back. This was plus 1R, came back, break even. And this is the reason why I don't take the partials and I don't move my stop loss to break even, because my stats show that the plus 2R all or nothing is much more profitable in the long term. And just got to hold it. Whatever happens in between, it's not up to me. I don't control the market. just control my patience, my discipline, my emotions, and making sure I don't exit prematurely, don't take profits early, and I just let it all play out. So thankfully, it all worked out in our favor for a full +2R target right here. And after that, I just chopped around. No more valid setups. Again, I don't take trades after 12:30 or because it's too close to market imbalance or market on close imbalance, and I just called it a day right there. I'll go ahead and show you guys the P&Ls. Still trading 25 funded accounts, 10 with Apex, 5 with other companies, spread out here. Wanted to show you guys these 5 are the same 5 that I've been trading for over 36 days. I think it might be like 36 to 39ish, I forget, and been trading these since the middle of July. These 5 we bought when Apex had the 90% sale. Figured might as well try it. Bought 5, passed 5, got them auto funded pretty cheap. I think they were 90% off. I'm like, why not? There was other 5 accounts that we were trading that you guys saw on the last video. I tried to go up on size with them, risk $200 per trade. We went on a little bit of losing streak. Again, still trading the same setups, valid setups, every single one. Just the $200 per trade, the risk is just too high. And when you do go on those losing streaks that my strategy does have that I know about, we just couldn't handle that. And we ended up losing those accounts, unfortunately. But these 5 are replaced them, and they're doing very well still. So I'll show you guys the trades we took today. Okay, so here we are. We took 3 trades today, guys. 2 winners, 1 loser, plus $300 plus 3R. We did take a trade in yesterday's Asia session, and it ended up working in our favor for full plus 2R. So that's why you guys see on the P&Ls is $500 instead of $300. It just counts as a yesterday's trade. Here you guys see my funded futures. Again, some of these accounts are doing pretty well. This account specifically is eligible for a payout now. I might withdraw some money. I might keep it in there just to keep growing these accounts, hopefully. And we'll see how we want to play it. I'll think about it over the weekend, and we'll see. Tradeify as well has another account that is eligible for payout. So that's 2 accounts eligible for payout. Not 100% sure if they changed the rules or if it's proactive or reactive, or I don't know how it all works out. But now they changed the rules, so it has to be $3,000. Not sure if I'm still eligible for a payout at $2,100. My dashboard says I am. So we're going to have to double check on that and make sure we are eligible. If not, we'll continue to grow this, no problem. And as you guys see, all the accounts are doing very well. Drawdown is pretty high. Take Profit Trader. Again, these accounts are doing very well. $500 green day. $1,400, all of 5 of them, very well, drawdown, max. Here I want to show you guys something. The trades we took on the week, very solid week, guys. Finish off the week with 25 trades, 12 winners, 13 losers, only a 48% win rate, guys. And off of those 25 trades we took, we ended up making 10.8 R, about 1,021 per account, times 25 accounts, 25 grand, guys. Pretty solid week there, very good. Something I want to point out, guys, is not every single trade is going to work out. We did have losers here. As you guys see, 13 losers. But the thing is, we have to make sure we stick to our plan, stick to our strategy. We have to trust it every single time. We have to make ourselves available every single time we see the setup, because that one time we decide not to take the setup because we think that we know more than the market and we end up missing out on it, it's always going to be a winner. It always happens to be a winner. For some reason, that's how it works out with me. And that's the reason why I have to make myself available every single time. Whatever my mind says, whatever I think, it does not matter. The market does whatever it wants, regardless of what I think. And I have to jump in on every single trade to make sure my win rate stays active, my strategy keeps playing out over the long term, because that's what we're trying to do. Here, I'll show you guys the trades we took. As you guys see here, start off the week with a loser. Got a winner after that, finish the day plus 2R. Here you guys see, we do have the losers, guys, 4 trade losing streak. But again, we have to continue to take the strategy, take the trades, and then the 2 wins after that managed to get us back to break even on the day, $13. $13 loser. Again, here you guys can see winner, loser, win, loss, loss, win, loss, win. Again, guys, it's tough to you're not always going to win every single trade. If you think you're going to win every single trade, that's the wrong mindset to have, because as soon as you think you're going to win every single trade, you're going to expect that. And as soon as you have a loser, you're going to revenge trade, go on tilt, get angry. And that's not how you want to be trading, right? You want to accept the randomness, accept the risk, and just move on. As you guys see here on every single P&L, you never see me lose crazy amounts. Nothing too crazy. As you guys see here, R per trade. I'm always risking about 1 R regardless of what the loss is, and I just continue to do it every single time, right? $100 loss, $100 loss, $110 loss, $110 loss. Win, again, is plus 2R every single time, so you'll see $200, $200, $200, and it just keeps going, right? Not letting the losers affect me, not letting the losers break me mentally, and I just got to continue to take every single trade that becomes available and presents itself, because I know long-term, my edge will play out. And as you guys see here, getting these accounts two payouts in the last 30 days, it's been very good. So been a while since I had a payout, and feeling good, feeling positive. And we're going to continue to take the same setups every single day and continue to grow these accounts and get better as trading. So again, haven't posted it in a while, guys. My trading is very boring. As you guys see here, we take losers, we take winners. Sometimes we take our losing streaks. It does add up. We do take our winners too, and we take our winning streak. And overall, long term, the winners are going to keep playing out in our favor. And our accounts are just slow and steady. They're going to continue to grow just how they are. So if you guys like what you guys see, if you guys want me to continue to post more, please leave a like, please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see. My strategy, I've posted it before. Everything you guys need to know is on there. I take the same exact trades every single time, and you guys see it on my videos. Been doing this since I think mid-July. I've been doing the same strategy, early July, and we continue to take the same exact setups every single day, guys. So again, leave a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to update you guys and let you guys know how my trading is going. Hopefully your guys' trading is going good. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one, guys. Peace.